Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. I already have picked some stickers, so some Mojo Jojo, some Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, those little penguins. I am obsessed. So today we are going to be creating a spread. Again, my catch-all planner, Deep Botanicals, the week of December 4th through the 10th. And of course, scalloped boxes, the brand new sticker book from Mojo Jojo, and I love it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with putting some boxes down first. So of course, sidebar, that's going to be my list for the week. That is not time sensitive. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those, and then I'm gonna put some boxes into the spread. So first I'm gonna put those lined ones into the middle of the boxes. So we're gonna have Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and then we'll go from there. So I thought that was kind of a fun way of doing things. And let's go from there. But yeah, these already have lines, so it's going to be pretty easy to keep my task list going here, which is something I really enjoy doing. So I'm going to put that, and then Thursday, Saturday. Okay. Now in the back of Check It Off, there's some bullet points that I want to use. But prior to that, let me put some of these tiny little stickers. I usually keep my work schedule on those as always because this is my catch-all, so almost everything goes into here. So as always, that's gonna go in. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna put them in random spots. I am working this Friday. I'm gonna be working Fridays for a little while now. So that's gonna be a day that I'm losing of planning and other things. So not too super happy about that, but sometimes life works out on its own and it gives you what you need. So it's gonna keep me busy for sure. So now I'm gonna put different sizes of boxes in here, mostly for daily things that are happening. But I mean, look at these scalloped boxes. How beautiful are they? I love that they're scalloped on all four sides. It is something I am very, very happy about. Okay, so I'm just gonna add these main event boxes here. And yes, I promise we're gonna get to the penguins. I am so excited. I'm like itching with anticipation, but I want my boxes to be straight for the first time ever, especially because they're scalloped, and that's gonna show even more than a regular box, I think. Because then the whole skew is not as it should be. So I'm putting a couple big ones. So Sunday we have something going on, I believe. Friday we have something going on. So all of these little things are happening. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna add, look at this penguin. And look at this one. So just so you guys know, all of them have names. So when Jojo created them. So again, Jojo, Pretty Paper Shop, not affiliated with the other Jojo, okay? So yeah, when Jojo created these, I'm on her PR team, so we were able to name them. I was obsessed with them. So the boy is Pom Pom, the girl is Apricot, and the little girl is Ivy. How cute is that? Like, adorbs, right? I am so obsessed with my little penguins. I just love them. So they have a little family. As you guys can see, she created a little Westie with that. I am saving it because obsessions are real. I'm gonna need that little doggy right there. Okay, so there's all of that. Okay, I'm adding these miniature ones throughout to kind of help me add more penguins, that because I don't want to necessarily use all of them. I'm gonna save some. Look at that. Like, look how cute this is. So yeah, that little boy is Pom Pom, Apricot, and Ivy. Meet all of them. They're adorable. I'm so in love, you guys. They just make me so happy. I just want to sit and smile. Like, look how cute. So let's add that one. Let's add that one reading. All of them are so cute. Look at that one with the ghost. Like, how adorable. Oh my gosh. He's Halloween ready. Little penguin guy. He's so cute. Okay, I know I am like gushing here, but I can't help myself, you guys. That is the cutest thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna add some bullet points because it's time for some bullet points. I know it is one of those things that we just need to make it happen. Okay, so I'm just putting some bullet points on my hand and I'm gonna distribute them throughout the planner and we shall go from there. But yes, these, like this spread is coming out so cute. I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple. I am off this Monday, so I can actually add a bit more than usual. So super cute. Okay, let's add those here. I'm gonna add them in between the little scallop folds. So yeah, Monday 4, because I'm off. Let's do that. Friday, I can add a couple. I'm gonna work that day. Not super happy about that, like I said, but it is what it is. So then Sunday, I need a couple because stuff will need to get done on the weekend now. Okay, so I think that's good, more or less. I'm gonna add a couple more penguins and that should be kind of done, maybe. I don't know. So let's add her working here. She's, look at this, like her expression. She's like, ugh, work. I love it. I love how sassy some of these are and how happy. And I love their little glittery eyes. Like, penguins are so cute, you guys. Okay, so let's add Mr. Pom Pom with a ghost. With a birch tree, all things I like. Super adorable. Okay, let me know which penguin is your guys' favorite from the ones I shown. Obviously, mine is with the Westie, okay? Not a hard thing to guess if you already follow me. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. Yes, there is usually a lot of gushing over stickers on my channel. This is how I roll. So welcome. And if you are coming back, thank you so much for hanging out and spending time with me. I love when you guys do that. So I'm gonna add some dots to my checklist here. I think the gray ones are going to kind of bring out my little penguins. Look at their little, like they look so fuzzy. I want to touch them. Like, I love penguins, you guys. Probably second most to dogs. So yes, okay. So there's that. And then I don't know if I need to add anything else. I'm looking at it and I'm loving this a lot. Let's see. There's a couple blank pages. I'm gonna not pages, spots. So I'm gonna add some quotes and finish this off, I think. So I think that's gonna be the best little finishing touches. This is from Wintertime from the Cassathetic Plans. So if you have her book, you're gonna be able to have the same quotes. That book came out on December 4th, in case you were looking into it. So I'm gonna add Hello Winter, Stay Cozy, and then a couple more. I just need to decide which ones, and then we can fill up. Snuggle Weather, that is so cute. Let's add that right there. It's gonna fill up that space for me. Beautiful. And then next is going to be these winter vibes. So I'm gonna have to cut that one to add that to the spread. So I'm gonna cut it. I have my little stork scissors, but then I'm gonna add that right above. There we go, like that. That worked out, right? I think I want one more maybe. Let's see, to fill this up. I'm not sure what I want. Like, it is so hard to pick one. Cozy winter vibes, hello winter stay, cozy snuggle weather. What else can I add? I want to add one more. Okay, let's add this one. Life is better with snow. So I'm gonna cut that one in half as well. Yes, I do stuff like that all the time. And we're gonna add it above the sleigh ride, like that. Okay, and I think I'm gonna call it a day, you guys. I think this looks pretty finished to me. I am loving this. I'm loving the boxes. I'm loving the penguins. This is something that I'm super, super excited about and passionate about, as you can see. So I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.